In the part one, we have learned about what is a confined space and what are the examples of confined spaces. In the part two, we have discussed what is the difference between permit-related confined spaces and non-permit confined spaces. Today, we are going to highlight what are the major hazards, what are the main hazards in confined spaces, what are the characteristics that make a workplace more dangerous. Hazards in confined spaces can include number one, poor air quality, insufficient amount of oxygen for the worker to breathe, toxic gases that could make the worker ill or cause the worker to lose consciousness, asphyxiants. Simple asphyxiants are gases which can displace oxygen in the air, normally about 21%. Low oxygen levels, 19.5% or less, can cause symptoms such as rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, clumsiness, emotional upset, and fatigue. As less oxygen becomes available, nausea and vomiting, collapse, convulsions, coma, and death can occur. Unconsciousness or death could result within minutes following exposure to a simple asphyxiant. The basic and simpler examples of asphyxiants include argon, nitrogen, or carbon monoxide. Hazard number two, chemical exposure due to skin contact or ingestion, as well as inhalation of toxic gases. Number three, fire hazard, an explosive or flammable atmosphere due to flammable liquids and gases and combustible dusts, which, if ignited, would lead to fire or explosion. Number four, process related hazards, such as residual chemicals or release of contents of a supply line. Number five, physical hazards. For example, noise, heat, cold, radiation, vibration, electrical and inadequate lighting. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. We are talking about confined space hazards. Hazard number six, safety hazards, such as moving parts of equipment, structural hazards, engulfment, entanglement, slips of walls, etc. Number seven, vehicular and pedestrian traffic. Number eight, shifting or collapse of bulk material that can cause engulfment. Number nine, barrier failure that results in a flood or release of free flowing solid or liquid. For example, we are putting stoppers in the sewerage lines to control the flow of sludge, sewer. But if accidentally stopper will fail, what are the consequences? Immediate arrival of free flowing solid or liquid sludge. It will fill the pit or a manhole or a confined space, and the person will be in danger that is working as an intern in the confined space. Number 10, visibility, such as smoke particles in air. Most of the time, in the confined spaces, visibility is not clear. Number 11, biological hazards. Biological hazards include viruses, bacteria from fecal matter, and sludge, fungi, or molds. If you want to learn about biological hazards, please click on the link that is appearing on your screen. Dear friends and fellows, this is a very quick and sharp introduction of confined space hazards. In the upcoming video, we'll talk about how to control these hazards, how to prevent accidents in confined spaces. That's all for now. Take care, good luck, and goodbye.